when we learn about the roots of this music, the world is uncovered to us and the future is uncovered to us. And so for me, the word Afro-Latin jazz is very important because it talks about everything. It talks about the roots, the conduit, and the new world. So from Africa, filtered through Latin America, and into the new world. This is what we really love and what we really, really do.
The band tonight, Afro jazz, and with Latin, it's Latin, so there's all flavor. It's like fusion. Born in England, raised in Nigeria. My parents are Nigerian, so I'm a Nigerian English girl who happens to live in Brooklyn. In England, we mix up. We have the West Indians, we have the West Africans, so we trade. And my favorite word, wicked. Everybody laugh at me. I say everything's wicked, man.
I love it.
It was a wicked show. It was a wicked audience.
Love it.
Fantastic. The best show I've seen in a long time. Loved it.
I enjoyed the show. It was incredible. Great music. Loved the performance.
Unbelievable talent. Unbelievable energy. It's incredible.
Come chat with me.